Now I forgot to start filming this, so here we have a cup full of bees. I'll try and film the next one. I'm going to connect the gas to it. So they're all in there now. I'm going to give it a shot of CO2. 1, 2. See if they've all gone down to the bottom. They seem to have done. Now I just shake this like this. And all the little things that are living off them will fall to the bottom.
Right.
And CO2 knocks them. Now dead. We look in here. And as you can see, we don't have any varroa. So that hive has been tested and is clear of varroa. And that was easily done, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
I'll try and